Hello, hello, Jesus. So today is your birthday. How do you feel?
I feel so great and joyful because of you,
Yes,
Zach.
yes. Do you know the name of the pool we're about to go to, Jesus?
Yes, the name of the pool we go to is Kylex or Mix? Mix.
Well, all I know is it's gonna be fun. It's gonna
Yes.
be lots of fun. Yes.
Yes, yes, there's a lot of fun there.
What's
Yes.
your birthday wish?
Well, do you have a birthday wish?
Yes, I have a
Birthday prayer.
birthday wish, and
Yeah.
my birthday wish is R.
What?
R. I see you growing in Christ,
Alright.
Yes.
and I see these brothers walking in the way of the Lord.
Yes. That'd be awesome. How long do you enjoy living in the countryside? Just asking.
I enjoy living in this Philippines because this Philippines has two kinds of climate: the rainy season and sunny season.
Tony Gonzaga way.
Okay. Well, that's it. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your life, Zach,
For-
and God bless you.
God bless you too, Jesus. Take